Hi, this is Dr. L, and in this video, we're going to go through a stretch routine to help your body unwind, get more calm, and sleep better through the night. Let's get started. What I'd like you to do first is take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now, let's tilt our head to the right. Add a little overpressure and hold. Come over to the other side. Add a little overpressure and hold. Going to bring our chin to our chest and hold. Bring our neck back and hold. Rotate our head to the right. You can add a little overpressure and hold. And the opposite side. And hold. Let's take our shoulders, bring them up and back. Let that tension release. And good. Now, we'll do a few stretches for our legs. Get your feet straight, spread. Reach forward, touch your toes, and hold. Come back up. We'll do that one more time. Lean forward and hold. Good. Now, get on all fours. We're going to come up and back. And again, come forward and up. And back. We're going to lie on our back. Keep our knees bent. Rotate the knees to one side while clasping your hands and rotating the opposite direction. And hold that. And switch sides. One more time. And switch sides. Great. We're going to bring our knees towards our chest and hold. And relax. Do that one more time. And relax. Now let's get onto our stomach. We're going to do a press up. We press our upper body up and feel that stretch. And relax. Do that one more time. Great. Let's sit back up. Finish up with some deep breathing. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose, out through your mouth. I hope you enjoyed that stretch, and if you did, like and subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy more future videos. Now, get a good night's rest for an awesome day ahead.